Minute on magnification and microscopes. There are two types of microscopes, light microscopes and electron microscopes. Light microscopes magnify things to a pretty good level, but electron microscopes magnify them huge amounts, millions of times even. Now, when we are looking at microscopes, we're probably going to be asked about magnification. And magnification is a set formula that we need to know, and we can see it here. And it is that magnification equals the size of the image that you see, so for example a picture on a page, divided by the actual size of the image. And so if for example you saw a cell on a page drawn that was 10 centimeters wide, that's obviously a huge magnification. So in order to work out how many times it's magnified, you measure the width of the cell on the page and then divide it by the true width of the cell, which might be 10 to the minus 6 meters. That brings me on to the fact that we need to know the scales of distance and measurement. We have 1 meter. If you split 1 meter into 100, you get 10 to the minus 2 meters, a centimeter. If you split it into 1,000, you get 10 to the minus 3 meters, which is a millimeter. If you split it into 1,000,000, you get 1 micrometer, which is 10 to the minus 6 meters. And if you split it into 1,000,000,000, you get a nanometer, which is 10 to the minus 9 meters. We need to know just about the fact that meters can be split like that. Last thing to say is that if you were to calculate the magnification on a microscope, you would take the eye magnification, say times 10, and the objective lens, which is the one that you swivel at the bottom, and you multiply them together. So a 10 times eyepiece and a 10 times objective lens would give a total magnification of 10 times 10, which is 100. We are out of here.